eat that, only take it to the trash. Almost blew me down. Man, almost really falling off back that way. The wind's going the wrong way. Throw a person down. Got a wobbler. So they put bricks down here. I'm trying to teach you guys how to build a $200,000 seawall. First they put the bricks down here, then they put the coquina, then they put the carpet stuff. That way weird plants don't grow. Then they sand the foot, cut the foot. Then that's also for erosion, see? They don't want stupid weeds to grow, they want to look pretty, and they want erosion. Sand and not erode back into the river. Then you have to push a bunch of sand underneath these palm trees. They're about to fall down. Like these over here. I found this big old driftwood over there. And then I hid it over there and someone took it and then they put it back. Thought I lost it, but I might come back and cut it in half and take it to my house. This how you build probably a $300,000 seawall. I said 200 just to be like if you know somebody, they give you a discount. I guarantee you. You didn't know somebody? This is $300,000. Going to, does it? So much. They're worth $250 as is. And then they build this $200,000 seawall. Let's fix that house up. It's gonna be worth about $800,000. Maybe $1 million if it's done right. This is pretty new looking. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Told them to throw this bag away because the turtles eat that and they'll suffocate. I think it's a jellyfish. Thinking this was good for them. Old rotted wood. See, I showed you pictures before. This oak tree and all the palm tree and everything. It was going to fall down on me and there was waves going through here. Oh, got my extra slip there. Indian River Drive. Probably maybe 500 grand right now just for this house. Dad's ready to go. Okay, tubers, gotta go. Tube out. Happy tubing. Happy tubing, people. Love this cactus. Crazy cactus.